Titus. What do you got?
What do you have? Okay, ghost fighters, drop your cocks and grab your socks. I need you downtown Colorado Springs at the home for live rock, the Thirsty Parrot, ready to kick some asses in the afterlife. The Thirsty Parrot is a virtual smorgasbord of paranormal activity, murders, bodies, suicides, and drunken morons. There have been hundreds of reports of activity such as shadows, voices, things flying across the bar, footsteps, you name it. Tonight, ghost fighters, I'm sending you to the Thirsty Parrot to get the evidence I need to determine whether this place is full of spirits or just a bunch of drunks.
Let's see, up here, we've had several things going up here. We had stuff flying across the bar, stools falling off of the tables, chairs. We've seen, people have seen glasses, ashtrays, Tabasco bottles fly across the bar. We had a psychic in here one afternoon. Lady came in and one of our door guys took him on a tour of the building, and that was entertaining actually. She found, I believe, 3 ghosts, so I was telling the door guy that one of them was standing next to them for the entire interview, so he was creeped out for a couple days. That was pretty funny. So yeah, and our cleaning guy, cook, he's seen stuff flying across the bar a few times. The psychic that was here was actually talking about the murder we had in the basement several years ago. One of the managers here was killed by a disgruntled employee, so that was entertaining. Guess we can move down there. So back here is where Adam Boyd was found, down the tunnel. Before this place was a bar, it was a hardware store. He's the guy that got murdered. So actually, when the psychic brought the door guy down here, she said she saw a spirit down here and 2 right out here underneath these stairs. So this is where the manager was shot. Obviously there's no remnants left, but you can imagine screaming in blood. Yeah.
Fun stuff.
Fun stuff.
So it was a disgruntled employee.
Yeah.
That came in here and said, I don't want to sell tools anymore, and shot his boss in the head.
Well, yeah, actually, from what I understand, he was fired, so then he became disgruntled and came downstairs and told the boss he wasn't happy about it. I'm not sure what caliber, but it finished the job. So in here, one of our employees several years ago actually tried to hang himself. Somebody came in and found him hanging from one of these pipes. I'm guessing it was probably this one, but I don't know for sure. Who knows? I've been here a long time. It's driven me crazy.
These are stairs that the psychic said she saw the couple underneath?
Yeah, she said over here, actually. These stairs, she saw a couple in period clothes, 20 style, so who knows what that's from. Alright, well, there's Thirsty Parrot, so next time you're here drinking heavily all night and watching the bands, hopefully nothing flies across the bar and hits you. Have fun tonight.
Ready to rock and roll!
Murderous death!
Let's kick some ass!
In the afterlife!
Isn't that right, Buddha? Where's Buddha?
Where's Buddha?
Yeah, fuck it. right, let's go, Buddha.
Buddha!
Buddha, come on.
Come on, Buddha.
Buddha? Where's Buddha?
Where's Buddha?
Haven't seen him. Buddha!
Buddha?
Buddha? Buddha, where are you? Hospital?
What happened?
Okay. Buddha's in the hospital.
Why is Buddha in the hospital?
He tore his nutsack.
His nutsack?
His nutsack. Shit. We're gonna kick some ass in the afterlife. Heinous. But Buddha's not here. How are we gonna do this without Buddha? Because I don't want to set up.
I'm not setting up Jack.
I'm not setting up. Not it.
No, I'm not it.
Not it?
Who's not it?
I'm not it.
Let's go hire somebody.
Yeah.
The prostitute.
Anyway, we'll get everything set up. One way or another, we'll have to live without Buddha.
Where you guys been?
Thought you were in a hospital, Buddha.
I was. I tore my nutsack.
Your nutsack?
My nutsack!
Nutsack?
My nutsack. I got everything set up already. There's flashlights, K2 meter, the camera, the EMP, the video cameras, laptop. We're all ready to go.
I don't get it. Didn't he go to the hospital and we like 20 minutes to get here, right?
I guess Buddha's just the man.
You're the man, Buddha.
You're the man.
I am the man.
Hi, I'm Brandon.
And I'm Zane.
And together we are the Ghost Fighters. With our trusty pal Buddha, we are here at downtown Colorado Springs at the Thirsty Parrot.
The Thirsty Parrot is known for live rock and roll, but is it also known for heinous death?
Settle down, settle down. If they exist, if we find evidence of the afterlife, we're gonna find it, we're gonna document it, and then
We're gonna kick their ass!
So now it's time. Is it time? It's time to go green!
Yeah!